Welcome to Biomedical Engineering Capstone Design II, the final step in your senior culminating experience. This course builds directly on the foundation set in BME 480, focusing on executing the design solution you previously identified. Throughout this journey, you'll move from concept to reality, tackling real-world medical and healthcare challenges. The emphasis is on applying your knowledge to create tangible, impactful solutions. You'll be expected to analyze, experiment, and collect data to support your design, all while considering a range of constraints from economic to ethical. Let's dive into what makes this course a pivotal moment in your engineering education. Main purpose of Capstone Design II is to guide you through the execution of a design plan that addresses a real medical or healthcare challenge. By the end of the course, you'll have developed a working engineering solution, complete with detailed calculations, drawings, and a prototype. You'll also learn to identify and apply relevant engineering and regulatory standards, ensuring your solution is both innovative and compliant. This course is designed to bridge the gap between theory and practice, preparing you for the professional world where your solutions can make a real difference. Throughout the course, you'll focus on several key objectives. These include providing detailed design calculations, creating engineering drawings, and building a functional prototype. You'll also learn to acquire, store, and interpret assessment data, which is crucial for validating your design. Understanding intellectual property, product reliability, and robust design principles will be emphasized. Additionally, you'll practice presenting a business case for your solution and preparing comprehensive deliverable reports. Each objective is carefully crafted to ensure you're ready for the challenges of biomedical engineering. At the end of Capstone Design II, you'll have developed a wide range of skills. You'll be able to organize technical documents with clear graphics and equations, write cohesive and logical reports, and create engaging oral presentations. You'll also learn to discern ethical dilemmas, analyze situations with multiple stakeholders, and consider the broader impacts of your engineering solutions. Teamwork, leadership, and collaboration are at the heart of this course, ensuring you're prepared to work effectively in diverse professional environments. Major component of the course is learning how to communicate complex technical concepts clearly. You'll organize written documents that use graphics and equations to clarify your ideas for different audiences. This skill is essential not only for academic success but also for your future career, where clear communication can make or break a project. You'll practice tailoring your message to both technical and non-technical stakeholders, ensuring your engineering solutions are understood and appreciated. Presenting your work is just as important as developing it. In Capstone Design II, you'll create visual aids and deliver oral presentations that efficiently convey technical information. You'll learn to engage your audience, explain complex ideas simply, and use visuals to support your message. These skills are invaluable in professional settings, where you'll often need to present your solutions to clients, colleagues, or investors. Practice and feedback will help you refine your delivery and boost your confidence. Ethical considerations are central to biomedical engineering. You'll learn to identify ethical dilemmas and analyze situations involving multiple stakeholders with differing interests. Using professional codes of ethics, you'll determine appropriate courses of action, consider the broader cultural, historical, and moral context of your decisions. This focus on ethics ensures that your engineering solutions are not only effective, but also responsible and respectful of all those affected. You'll be challenged to analyze the global, economic, environmental, and societal impacts of your engineering solutions. This holistic approach encourages you to think beyond the technical aspects and consider how your work affects the world at large. By understanding these impacts, you'll be better equipped to design solutions that are sustainable, cost-effective, and socially responsible. This perspective is vital for any engineer aiming to make a positive difference. Success in Capstone Design II depends on effective teamwork and leadership. Each team member will have a well-defined role, contributing unique skills and perspectives. You'll learn to create an inclusive environment where everyone can contribute meaningfully. Planning, organizing, and evaluating team activities are essential for completing your project on time and meeting your goals. These experiences will prepare you for collaborative work in your future career. Unique aspect of this course is the opportunity to develop and conduct experiments involving living systems. You'll design experiments in one of the technical areas of biomedical engineering, collect and interpret data, and use engineering judgment to draw meaningful conclusions. This hands-on experience is invaluable for understanding the complexities of working with biological systems and for developing solutions that are both innovative and practical. The course is structured over 16 weeks, each with a specific focus. You'll start with a review of BME 480 and move through concept generation, disease fundamentals, architecture establishment, and prototyping. As the weeks progress, you'll delve into intellectual property, regulatory basics, business models, ethics, and industrial design. The final weeks are dedicated to prototype testing, documentation, and presentation practice, ensuring you're fully prepared for your final deliverables. The early weeks, you'll focus on generating concepts and finalizing specifications for your project. This stage is all about creativity and critical thinking, as you brainstorm potential solutions and narrow them down to the most promising ideas. You'll also review feedback from BME 480 to refine your approach and set clear, achievable goals for your design. This foundation is crucial for the success of your project. Prototyping is a major focus throughout the course. You'll develop and refine your prototype, creating an evaluation plan to test its effectiveness. This iterative process involves building, testing, and improving your design based on real data and feedback. You'll also learn about intellectual property basics and provisional patent filing, ensuring your innovations are protected as you move forward. Understanding the regulatory landscape is essential for biomedical engineers. You'll explore regulatory basics, reimbursement strategies, and business models relevant to your project. This knowledge will help you navigate the complex world of medical device approval and commercialization. You'll also practice presenting a business case for your solution, preparing you for the realities of bringing a product to market. Final weeks are dedicated to rigorous prototype testing, documentation, and presentation practice. You'll ensure your design meets all specifications and is ready for real-world application. Detailed testing documentation and poster presentations will showcase your work to peers, faculty, and potential stakeholders. This culmination of your efforts demonstrates your readiness to enter the professional world as a biomedical engineer.